Hello, this is Adit Gupta, Apricot Clothing, and in this video, I am going to talk about the sampling process. Now, the sampling is the most important part of because this is the first step. This is the most important part because as we make the samples, we realize that we need the complete information from you. So, if we don't have the complete information, we need to ask you for it. This is the time when we need to rack your brain to get every detail out from you. So, for example, we need to know which fabrics it is going to be used on, what are the sizes going to be made, do you have the measurement sheets, do you want us to make the measurements based on the mannequins, if there's any embroidery or printing, which is the design, do you have the artwork for it. So there is a whole checklist for this that we share with our customers. You are welcome to ask us for the checklist, and we will share the checklist with you on the list of, I think it has some 15-20 points on all the things information that we need for you. And notice that that this checklist is pre-made. So in every aspect of our business, checklists are all pre-made, the documents are pre-made, so that we don't need to use our brain every time. This is a habit in our company. Everybody knows, okay, we need to take some new style, send the checklist. If you want to send a courier to us, there is a document with set instructions, send that. If you want to make payment, send instructions. Every part of our business has been perfected, that it has been documented, videos have been made. Right now I'm making videos to train the customers. Like that, we have more than 300 videos in which we are training our employees on each and every minute detail, which is obviously not in English, it is in the local language which they understand, which is Hindi. But coming back to the sampling process, so we have this one document called SS17 in which we list out the charges. So if our team has not shared, you can ask for SS17, which is the list of charges of how we charge for the sampling. But I will give you a nutshell of what we do is that once we receive your payment and we have all the information, we will ask you for the information of all that we need, and we have all the information which is needed to make a style. We will make the patterns for it. Some of you may not know what patterns are, so I will briefly explain it to you. It is made of a stiff paper. It's a very thick paper of heavy GSM, and that is the shape that the pattern master makes. That is the shape by which the fabric is cut, and then it goes for stitching. So every style which is made in our factory is made only after the pattern is made. The reason for that is that it is duplicatable. So once the pattern is made and all the corrections are done on it, anytime you want a repeat order, we just we assign pattern numbers to all the patterns that we make in our factory. We share the pattern number with you also, so you can also know that, okay, this particular style was this particular pattern number. And then when we send you a mock sample, so for example, you say, okay, you know what, I want you to increase the sleeve length by 1 inch, for example, or you say, I want to reduce the chest by 2 centimeters, or you say that let's scoop out the underarm to get a better shape, any comment that you give. So we do those corrections on the pattern. Once we've done those corrections on the pattern, every piece that we make will be perfectly same, because they're all cut from the same pattern. So it is the shape of the fabric which is going to get cut. Then what we do in our factory is that we first get the one size correct, because until one size is correct, there is no sense of grading all the sizes, because they will all have mistakes. So first we get one size, any one size, typically it is medium or whichever size you prefer, which you can also check easily by if you have a model or if you have a friend who's going to be trying it out. So we have the mannequins for all the sizes in our factory, so it is not a problem for us. But we make the style, we make a mock-up sample, we try out, and we assume that there can be mistakes on it, and it needs perfection. So perfection is an evolution. It is not that the first time we have made it is not perfect, and then we are on top of our team and saying, why is it not made perfect? So we say that perfection is an evolution. We make the first style, we find out what mistakes are, we correct it. So that is the whole sampling process. So we make a sample and we criticize it but I've already told you about that part. But to make the first sample, for example, if screen printing has to be done, then we will take the information from you and we make the screens for it. If digital printing has to be done, then we prepare the file so that it can be printed digitally. For digital printing, we also take out mocks sometime to check the color saturation and which color and how that the colors are looking vibrant or not. For embroidery, we have to pay money to the designer, and he translates the JPEG image or the design that you have given, and he translates that into a file and a format which the computer can read when it does the embroidery. So whatever variables are required to make that particular style, the first sample, everything is done, all the effort is done, and that is why it is most expensive to make a first sample. And once that is done, and then we all analyze it, criticize it, we go for the perfection, then we make a subsequent sample, or we go for bulk production, and then we make another sample and send to you for approval. But then it's repeatable, the whole process of doing it, that these efforts are one time. Then you can keep reusing the pattern, just change the colors, just change the embroidery, just change the prints, change the fabrics. Sometimes for different fabrics we have to again make another pattern because they have different shrinkages, but I will come to that later. So that's our sampling process. So we want to get the sample out to you. For that we need all this information which we share with you in a checklist. The sampling charges are already there in SS17. Every aspect of our business, as you will understand us, is perfected to the T, and we just have to follow all the instructions for each and every aspect as required. This is Adit Gupta for Apricot Clothing. Thank you very much for watching and staying with me on this series.